Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up the brand new Blink Video Doorbell system, and I'll be walking you through everything step by step. We'll unbox it, set up the sync module core, add the doorbell in the Blink app, mount it to the wall, and finally test out the features. As a bonus, I will also show you how to use it with your Amazon Echo, so you can use the Echo to alert you when someone is at the door.
Someone is at the video doorbell.
If you have an Echo Show, you can also see the person at the door as well. By the end of this video, your Blink Video Doorbell will be up and running. Now let's see what you get inside the box. So we have a sync module, the doorbell itself, the mounting template and camera release key, 3 AA batteries, some wires, some screws, a setup guide, the door mount and a corner mount, and a power supply and USB cable for the sync module. So everything you need to get started is right here. First, we're going to set up the sync module core. The new Blink doorbell won't work without this. Plug in the sync module using the supplied cable and adapter. You'll see a blue flashing light that means it's ready to connect. Now you need to make sure you've got the Blink app downloaded on your phone. So go to the App Store or the Play Store if you've got an Android phone and search for Blink. So the app's called Blink Home Monitor, so I'm going to download that. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Now you're signed into the app, press the plus symbol on the top right hand corner of the screen and select Sync Module. To allow access to the camera, you now need to scan the QR code on the back of the Sync Module. You can choose a system for the Sync Module, so I'm going to select Home, press Continue. It's now asking if I want to discover the device. As you can see, the light is flashing blue, so I'm going to press Discover Device. It'll ask to join the network. I'm going to allow it to find devices on local networks. I'm then going to select my Wi-Fi network, which is Eero. Once you put in the password, press Join. It's now updating the firmware. The sync module is now added, so I'm going to press Done. As you can see, the sync module is now set up and online. Now let's set up the doorbell. Remove the back plate. And install the 3 AA batteries. Now go back to the Blink app and press the plus symbol again. Select Video Doorbell and scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell. This is at home again, so I'm going to press Continue. It's then telling me how to install the batteries, which I've already done. Wait till the LED blinks red, which it's doing, and press Discover Device. As you can see, it's adding my video doorbell. The doorbell's now been added, so I'll press Continue. It's now telling me to mount the doorbell. I'm going to do that later. The doorbell installation is complete. You get a 30-day free trial of the Blink Plus plan, so I'll press Next. Next, and Done. Now let's press play and see if we get a video feed from the doorbell itself. As you can see, the doorbell is now connected to my phone. And working. Let's close that. Now let's see if it works when I press the doorbell. As you can see, I've got a notification telling me that someone's at the door. So I press that, and I should in a minute see a live feed of the doorbell. If you press the tab to unmute button, you can talk to the person at the doorbell. So I'll allow access to microphone. Now let's look at mounting the doorbell. I'm going to do this inside, but when you do this outside, it's recommended to install it between 102 and 122 centimeters from the ground. I also recommend using live view and holding the doorbell in position so you can get best position. Don't forget, you can also use a mounting wedge if you want to point the doorbell in a particular direction. The doorbell comes with a mounting template with a release key attached. Remove the release key and use a mounting plate to identify the areas where the screws will be located. You can then fix the mounting plate to the door or wall. You then need to take the hardware pack, and this should include any screws and fixings. You can now install the mounting plate on the door or wall. Now mount the doorbell from the top first and press it at the bottom until you hear a click. I have used the included batteries in this example, but the doorbell can also be wired. I will be using my echoes as the doorbells to alert me when someone is at the door, so stick around for me to show you that later in the video. You will need to unmount the doorbell every now and then, for example when changing batteries. To do this, take the tool and press the grey buttons on the bottom of the doorbell. Put the doorbell firmly from the bottom and unmount. Now let's look at connecting your Blink doorbell to your Amazon Echo devices so you're alerted when someone is at the door. First of all, open up the Alexa app. On the bottom, press the three lines and select Skills and Games. You should then search for Blink. Select the Blink skill and press Enable to use. It will then ask to link your Blink and Alexa accounts, so I'll press Agree and Continue. It's now been successfully linked, so I'll press Close. It's then looking for devices, so it's now looking for my doorbell. It's found a camera, so I'll press Next. It will then ask you where the camera is so you can add it to a group. I'm going to skip this for now. It's now saying my video doorbell is set up and ready to use. I now need to go back to my devices, so press the light bulb on the bottom of the screen. Under Device Types, select Cameras, press Apply. As you can see, I can now see the video doorbell. Hopefully I'll get a live feed. Now you want to connect it to your Echo devices, so press the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. The first thing you want to do is select your announcement devices. These are the devices that will alert you when someone's at the door. So for now, I'm going to select my Echo Spot and my Echo Show 8 and press back. You can then choose to have motion announcements turned on and off. This will alert you when someone's near the doorbell. I have it turned off as it can be quite annoying, but you definitely want doorbell press announcements turned on. You can then choose a sound. Although I keep mine on default. You can now test it to see if it works.
Someone is at the video doorbell. 0QF0.
As you can hear, when I press the doorbell, my Amazon Echo alerted me that someone was at the door. You can also see that my Echo Show displayed a live feed.
Someone is at the video doorbell. 0QF0.
If you press the microphone button, you can talk to the person at the door at any time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.